How do you keep up with all these AI tools?
I watch Athex. Thanks for letting me in your video, lol.
Yo, Batsy, why you always look like someone stole your chapati?
Because crime never sleeps, and neither do I.
Duh.
Mr. Stark, how do you keep up with all these new AI tools?
Easy. I watch Athex. Thanks for letting me in your video, lol.
So all these videos were created in just few minutes with the help of Google Veo 3 and text to video generator created by Google. So in this video I'll show you how you can create your imagination into the reality with the help of this, and that too absolutely for free. So in order to access this tool you need the AI Pro subscription of the Google, and I already have created the video on how you can access it for free. So check in the top right corner, you will get that video. Watch it first and then come on this video and I'll show you. So at very first you have to just open the description and you have to copy this master prompt. The link is in the description, okay, and you have to paste it. So basically what this prompt will do is it will educate your chat GPT about the Google Veo 3 totally edited prompt and tailored according to our imagination. Okay, so as you can see, finally I have pasted the prompt and then all you are set. What you have to do is just you have to type your imagination or any of the random video you want to generate, because we have adjusted our chat GPT according to the perfect Google Veo 3 prompt generator. Okay, so now we are all done, and what you have to do is just type any of your imagination here. So as you can see I have wrote a funny conversation between monkey and a reporter on the mountain top, and simply like a reporter asking how you keep up with AI tools, and monkey replies, thanks for letting me in because I watch ethics, and that's simple. So basically I have got the prompt, you can see, and what you have to do is just you have to copy paste that prompt here in the Gemini, and don't forget to select that video option here because it's only the generated with Google Veo 3. And as you can see I already have a pro subscription, I have taken it for absolutely free, so you can check that too. And now our video will max to max take 1 to 2 minutes. So basically the prompt plays a vital role here. Okay, each and everything is dependent on your prompt, how you feed it. So that's why we have structured our chat GPT prompt in that way. So just you have to copy that master prompt and you are all done. Okay, and it's absolutely simple. The main thing in that master prompts are the video length shall be less than 8 seconds. Okay, max to max it shall touch 8, and the character brief and the background brief. Yes, just on the three things we have to focus on, but I have made your work even more easier. So just copy paste that master prompt in chat GPT and then just brief about your imagination or the video which you want to generate with the help of this. So max to max it can take up to 2 minutes, or max to max you can say 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, because it's literally mind blowing and it really needs to generate a video, and it also needs few time to align all the things with the voiceover. Like I guess this is the first video editor who edits each and everything and generates with the help of a voice included, right? Because the rest of the editors don't include voice. So finally our video is ready, and here you can see this, like each and everything is perfectly aligned, like it's literally looking a cinematic view, right? Animations, each and everything is perfectly structured in each and every second, and that's why Google Veo 3 is one of the best text to video
How do you keep up with all
created
these
by
AI
Google.
tools?
I watch Athex. Thanks for letting me in your video, lol.
So that was the first video, and now let's try to generate another video. And I am typing anything here, okay, like it's just an imagination you can say. So let's try to create a funny conversation between again the same thing, reporter and this time Iron Man. Okay, and will tell them to speak on the same dialogues, like a reporter will ask how you keep up with the AI tools and all, and then the Iron Man will reply with, I watch ethics, and thanks for letting me in your video, right? So let's see how the prompts get generated and how a video will be. So basically, as you can see, he has generated the character. It's Tony Stark, like similar man like him, but it's he is in casual outfit. Okay, like You can even generate the Iron Man in the suit. Okay, in his suit, you can inform Chat GPT, and he will make the changes accordingly. But I'm not doing it because it can cause copyright issues on the YouTube. So that's the main reason. But I'll keep it in casual look. Okay. So as you can see, I have also changed the background here. Location here you can see. You can also do it and inform ChatGPT about the changes which you want to create. It's that much simple. And then yes, you are done. Just copy paste this prompt in the same way like I'm doing. Go to Gemini and paste the prompt here, and make sure that you're selecting the video option, and then you are good to go. Well, this is just the basic video about informing you about how you can generate the best prompt with the help of this, and you can generate your imagination into reality, and that too video with the help of this. And it's absolutely easy. Okay, and in the upcoming videos I'll show you how you can generate advertisement with consistent characters. So yes, that's too an interesting part. So at very first, just take a look at this and make sure that this will you get familiar with this thing, and then we are all good to go with the consistent image generation. So for that you have to subscribe our channel, because you will get the updates right here only. And the video is generating. Let's wait for like more few seconds, and the video will be generated in a while. So till that time, you can like the video if you are finding it helpful, and all the stuff you will get in the description. It's pinned, right? So you can just copy paste, plug and play from there. And as you can see, the video has been generated. So let's check it out. Yes, it's all casual wear. Like, just look at the expressions, guys. Like, it's totally up to the point, up to each and every
Duh.
millisecond, right?
Mr. Stark, how do you keep up with all these new AI tools?
Easy. I watch Athex. Thanks for letting me in your video, lol.